for sure, kahit gaano po ka-healthy ang isang church, hindi pa rin po natin masasabing perfect yan. Sapagkat walang church na perfect. Kahit na may member po kayo na ang pangalan ay perfecto, hindi pa rin po magiging perfect ang inyong po church. The very end of the age, kasama natin ang Diyos sa ating pagkahayop. Kaya lang, paano tayo hahayop kung hindi tayo marunong mag-share? Paano tayo mag-disciple kung hindi natin alam ang ating gagawin? We used to say, EE is an evangelistic tool. Iko-correct ko po tayo. Hindi na po yan ngayon. Pag tinanong kayo, ano ba ang EE or evangelism explosion? This is how you respond. Evangelism explosion is a discipleship tool for witnessing. Isang dahilan po kung bakit nababurnout ang isang lingkod ng Diyos ay dahil wala po siyang katuwang. Wala siyang kasama, wala siyang kabalikan. Kaya kung lahat na lang ay aking kong iaasa sa mga pastors, pati ang pagkakayo, hindi po magtatagal, baka ang inyong pastor din ay hindi na rin magtatagal. Ano naman ang proactive collaboration? Here's what we would like to propose to all of you. Can we work together regardless of our denominations? The answer is yes. God is a time na Baptist na, Pentecostal lang. Charismatic, independent lang. Those are things of the past. If you're a true believer of Jesus Christ, forget about your denominational colors. Let's work together to fulfill the Great Commission. Consistent implementation. Dapat tuloy-tuloy yung pag-implement natin. Huwag ititigil. Diba, nag-implement one semester. Tapos nung kinumusta ko, ay pastor, pahinga muna kami. Bakit? Napagod? Isang semester ko lang, napagod na. You know what? If you consistently implement, hindi mo matitigil kasi if you reach out, you do follow up, then pag napunta sa church, may bago ka na namang i-train. And that's the key. Number 2. And those nearby churches, they will appreciate that you are lending them a helping hand. Tapos no strings attached. Walang malisya, ika nga. No? Walang bayad, whatsoever. Your reward will be from heaven. I told you, I started as a volunteer. Si Ate Naomi, she started as a volunteer. Hindi kailangan, pastor, gusto ko mag-full time sa EE. Eh baka kung lalong i-reject namin kayo. But when you say, I can help, no? You're welcome.